The overall cryptocurrency space is experiencing a little bit of market correction, and in this video we are going to be looking at Jasmy coin price update. And let's just look at Jasmy real quick. This is Jasmy. We are currently down minus 5.3% in the last 24 hours. Market cap still sitting strong, over $1 billion. 24-hour trading volume is down bad, which is minus 44%. We are currently at $235 million total traded amount in US dollars. We are still ranked number 44 out of by volume out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. So that still calls for a celebration, because if you're looking at other cryptos, it's not just Jasmy that is down. BTC is down minus 0.1%. 24-hour trading volume of BTC is as well down very, very bad, which is minus 19%, almost half of Jasmy percentage drop. And if you're looking at Ethereum, likewise to Ethereum is down minus 19% as well in trading volume in the last 24 hours. Let's look at what some of the cryptos are saying. Pendom is down minus 30% in the last 24 hours. The price is down, wow, the price is down minus 10.8% in the last 24 hours. BTC Cash is down minus 4% in the last 24 hours in price, and the total trading volume is down minus 18%. So it's not like it's just Jasmy that is dipping. We have a lot of other cryptos that is dipping, and if you're looking at the overall crypto, you notice we've been in a correction phase, you understand, which is just a temporal phase. And in this video we're going to be looking at Jasmy coin price. Remember, I told you guys in the previous video that since we are getting rejected from here, then we are likely to form support here. We formed a temporal support there, as you can see, this massive wick. After that video, we got a massive bounce from here to the upside, and then got another sell pressure, which in turn pushed the price of Jasmy down. So we came back here, we lost the support, and then came back, tapped into this liquidity pool right here around this week. As you can see, we have a wick here. That was what triggered the liquidity pool. This week you're seeing her right here. The price of Jasmy came down and tapped into that wick, and then got a massive push of price to the upside. Now we are trading above 0.0220 Now the thing is, as long as we are not closing this 4-hour candle bearishly below this zone, the zone between, let's just check it out real quick, the zone between 0.02242 and also 0.02310, as long as we are not closing these 4-hour candles bearishly below it, I'm not bearish for Jasmy yet. But the moment we are closing this 4-hour candle below it, then we are likely to immediately trade into this zone, the zone between 0.01987 and also 0.02063. You have to pay attention, please. This zone is likely to be the next support zone, and like I said yesterday, I don't see Jasmy losing this trend line. This trend line you're seeing right here, I don't see Jasmy losing this trend line anytime soon. Because if you're paying attention to the BTC price performance before the 2012, which was the first BTC halving. Now this was November 2012, the first BTC halving. We got a run up into the halving, and then a run up into the halving. We got the correction earlier before the halving. What happened after that? After 364 days, we got a massive push of BTC price to the upside, over 8,800% gain. Pump to the upside after 364 days after the halving. Now what happened in 2016, which was the second BTC halving? In 2016 we got a halving in July 4th 2016, which was on Monday. And after the halving, what happened to BTC price? At exactly after 525 days, we got the top was formed. We pumped over 2,700% after the BTC halving. So you have to pay attention now. This is not the time to panic sell at all for any reason. There's no cause for alarm, like I've said times without numbers, because the market is about to explode and Jasmy is not going to be left out. So you losing your position now is you not playing smart in the crypto space. Now let's look at the 2020 Bitcoin halving. This was the 2020 Bitcoin halving in May 11. What happened? 546 days after the BTC halving, we got our market top in November 2021 with over 580% pump from the BTC halving price. So if you pay attention closely, you notice each time after the halving, we usually get a massive run up to the upside. It takes some time, maybe few weeks, few months, but we will surely pump massively to the upside. And now same thing is happening now in 2024. We are expecting the halving in exactly, let me just check the date real quick. The BTC halving is 7 days, 17 hours, 46 minutes, then continuous countdown of seconds. So we are left with 7 days and 17 hours to the BTC block reward halving, which we are expecting in 20th of April 2024. We are very, very close. We are already 7 days away from that. So there's no point of panicking selling, please. This is the BTC Fear and Greed Index. Last month, we closed last month with extreme greed, which was 81%. We closed last week with extreme greed, which was 97%. We closed yesterday with extreme greed, which was 76%. Now we are currently at extreme greed once again, which is currently at 79%, as you can see over here. So the market is indicating all bullishness. I see no reason why you should panic sell now, like seriously. It won't make sense at all. Now, this is the Jasmy coin on the weekly time frame, and the price is currently at 0.022471. Now, I've set this time to that number. There's no cause for alarm. As long as we are not losing this zone, the zone between 0.0179 and also 0.0151, there's no cause for alarm. And I don't even think we can dip again to 0.015. You understand? We are already few days away from the BTC block reward halving, and as you can see over on your screen, we are already consolidating above here. You understand? So as long as this consolidation continue, sooner or later we are going to pump massively to this zone, which is around 0.038 and also 0.050 zone. This zone is a very, very important zone for Jasmy coin, and the moment we are flipping that zone into a support, because how it works is a previous resistance is likely to be flipped into a support. The moment we are flipping here into a support, then it's going to be another easy price push to 0.082, which is close to 10 cents already. And the moment 0.082 is happening, then FOMO is going to set in and take us all the way to 12 cents. 12 cents is very, very realistic, like seriously. And I got some comments. Some of you were saying 60 cents is not possible before the end of the year, while some are saying it's very, very possible. Someone even said $2 is possible before this year runs out and before this whole bull run ends. Jasmy is going to get to the all-time high, which was over $4. Well, your opinion matters though. It all depends on the community support, the liquidity inflow into Jasmy, and also the adoption, the utility adoption rate. Like seriously, this is the crypto space. Anything can happen. Any project can explode overnight and be top 10, top 5 project in the crypto space. So Jasmy is also positioned for such explosion. So anything can happen. Now let's look at the BTC price to see what BTC is saying as well, because since the BTC price chart is having similar pattern with that of Jasmy. Remember, Jasmy is the Japanese Bitcoin, you understand? So it's no coincidence. Now BTC is currently sitting at $69,361. We got a massive correction on our way to $73,716 price, and now we are currently at 69k. So I don't see BTC losing even this trend line right here, which is around 68, 67k. I don't see BTC losing that. This week right here is very, very important. So if this fall continue, then we are likely to fill this week. Same thing applies to Jasmy here. If this fall continues, then we are likely to come and fill this zone, the zone between 0.019 and also 0.02063. So that's that for that, you understand? There's no cause for alarm, please. Now, the BTC dominance is still sitting strong. By the way, the dominance is even pumping. We are currently at 55%. 4.77%. So we need to see this BTC dominant bleed in order to welcome ourselves to alt season. The moment you start seeing a massive correction in the BTC dominant to around 47%, 44, 40%, just know altcoin is about to explode, and Jasmy is not going to be an exception at all. Like seriously, ignore the temporal market correction. It's not just Jasmy. As you can see, a lot of markets are currently in a massive correction phase. WIF is down minus 11%, Gala is down minus 2%, Venom minus 6%, Bonk minus 5.6%, Jasmy minus 6.6%, this NRI minus 10%, ZEC minus 10%. A lot of altcoin here, you understand, are down bad. Core minus 8%. So there's no cause for alarm at all, guys. There's no cause for alarm. Please hold your horses. As always, my name is Isaac. Please and please invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Peace out.